The Best Project Material Company Limited is a professional geosynthetic products manufacturer, supplier, wholesaler, and exporter, dedicated in supplying one-stop geosynthetic products and services to worldwide customers since its foundation in 2010. We have over 50 professional staffs and 16,000 square meters manufacturing factory. Our main innovative products include geomembranes, geotextiles, geocells, geosynthetic clay liners, drainage boards, geogrids, etc., which are used across a variety of industries, including waste, water, aquaculture, mining, power plant, industrial and civil engineering, etc. We have been certificated by the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, etc. In recent years, we have been keeping on investing in technological innovation, manufacturing facilities improvement, and turnkey engineering abilities. We had invested $10 million into our manufacturing factory, with advanced production lines and optimized manufacturing process. BPM brand geomembranes and other geosynthetics products and solutions can meet your requirements by our solid technologies and professional staffs. BPM Geosynthetics has provided many types of effective and state-of-the-art geosynthetic products to over 86 countries.
BPM team, cooperation, dedication, and happiness。
大家好，我是泰安家乐通工程材料有限公司总经理张宝利，非常感谢国内及全球的客户对我们的关心、支持与厚爱。
It's about almost 4 years.
Welcome to BPM.
Hola a todos, soy Abril. Bienvenida a la nuestra empresa.
Welcome to BPM Company.
This is Catherine. Welcome to BPM. We are glad to be your partner.